Hey guys, in this video I want to show you how to redeem a Crunchyroll code. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, go ahead and open up your Crunchyroll app on your device. Make sure to log in or create an account if you haven't done so already. Alright, now once you've logged into the app of Crunchyroll, you need to go and click on account, bottom right hand corner. And now you're brought to a page that looks similar to this. And now from here, scroll down and then under membership, click on where it says subscription. And from here, scroll down again and it'll have an option say redeem offer code. So now go ahead and click onto that. And now I'll bring you to this page here. So now what you need to do is enter your code, or you can scan the gift card to activate that Crunchyroll code. And a good place to find promo or discount codes is just head on over to Google, type in Crunchyroll promo or discount codes and just have a look at any one of the results there. Hope this video helped.